Last year was an absolute record year for wildfires, increasing in their frequency and in their severity and destroying nearly 19 million hectares of Canadian land. So we started Flash Forest with one simple goal: it's planting 1 billion trees, and we're not stopping there. We combine drones, AI, and plant science to plant in post-wildfire zones with unmatched precision and speed. We're super proud to have a bold partner like the TELUS Pollinator Fund for Good, who shares the same vision as we do about regenerating ecosystems and solving climate change. Currently, our drones are able to fire our seed pods at about 20 a second. So they shoot extremely fast in the field, and they also embed into the soil. As soon as those seed pods are hit by water, they swell up about 400%, and that is because we want those seed pods to hold moisture, so when it stops raining, it's still got a very good chance of survival. At full capacity, with a drone operations team and just 2 drones alone, we're on track to plant 1 million seed pods every single day. Wildfires are getting larger, and climate change is being exacerbated, so this requires bold solutions.